Eat. I ate breakfast very early. I ate lunch with my friend. I ate dinner at home earlier. I ate too much food last night. Pay. I paid the bill at the restaurant. I paid for my coffee this morning. I paid for dinner last night. I paid for the dress at the store. Began. I began a new job yesterday. I began reading that book. I began the work very early. I began learning English last year. Keep. I kept the door open all day. I kept my phone in my bag. I kept my money in the safe. I kept the secret for years. Love. I loved that movie very much. I loved her smile yesterday. I loved the food at the restaurant. I loved that song last night. Hate. I hated the cold weather last week. I hated waiting in long lines. I hated that noise at night. I hated that game very much. Choose. I chose a dress for party. I chose the blue one at the store. I chose a seat near the window. I chose a gift for him. No. I knew the answer very well. I knew him from last year. I knew this place before. I knew the truth about it. Cut. I cut the paper into pieces. I cut my finger while cooking. I cut the cake for everyone. I cut vegetables for dinner. Send. I sent her a message earlier. I sent the email in the morning. I sent him the file quickly. I sent a gift for her. Sit. I sat near the window quietly. I sat next to my friend. I sat there for 2 hours. I sat down after long walk. Catch. I caught the ball very quickly. I caught the bus this morning. I caught a cold last week. I caught him at the door. Grow. I grew up in a small town. I grew flowers in my garden. I grew very fast as a child. I grew vegetables last summer. Watch. I watched a movie last night. I watch TV after dinner. I watched him from distance. I watched that show yesterday. Help. I helped my mom with laundry. I helped her clean the room. I helped them move the table. I helped my mom in the kitchen. Try. I tried to fix my phone. I tried sushi in Japan. I tried to call him twice. I tried my best in the exam. Wait. I waited for you at the station. I waited there for 2 hours. I waited outside the building. I waited until he arrived. Speak. I spoke with her yesterday. I spoke to my boss today. I spoke very slowly and clearly. I spoke about this problem. Win. I won the game very easily. I won a prize at school. I won that match last week. I won first place in contest. Where? I wore a jacket this morning. I wore black shoes at the party. I wore my new dress today. I wore that shirt last night. Move. I moved to a new house. I moved the chair near the table. I moved here last year. I moved my bag to the room. Stay. I stayed home all day yesterday. I stayed there for 2 days. I stayed with my friend. I stayed up late last night. Cook. I cooked dinner for my family. I cooked rice and chicken. I cooked lunch at home today. I cooked something new last night. Learn. I learned a lot at school. I learned to play guitar by myself. I learned something new today. I learned to cook from my mom. Arrive. I arrived home very late. I arrived at the station early. I arrived there before my friend. I arrived at work on time. Walk. I walked home after work. I walked with my friend outside. I walked in the park yesterday. I walked for 30 minutes today. Visit. I visited a museum in the city. I visited that place last year. I visited my family last week. I visited my friend last weekend. Play. I played a video game today. I played music last night. I played outside after school. I played football with my friends. Look. I looked at him very carefully. I looked outside the window. I looked at the sky yesterday. I looked for my keys everywhere.